Hey yo, what's up YouTube? It's Ronits awesome here. No, you see my mouse sticking out right there. Start recording. And welcome back to another Minecraft video. And today you guys have been waiting for this. Ronits Quest 21. Guys, you've been waiting for this. I know you saw me doing it on the phone, but I just named it Stupid Creeper because the creeper just like blowing me up, and then I died, and then I lost my home. Well, this will be like an officially a Minecraft video, most probably, yes.
Is this
Because you know. Okay, listen, Anya, can you quiet down, please? I'm talking to people here. Alright, and so guys, and if you're new to the channel, I want you to all subscribe to my channel, like the video, turn on notifications, and also leave a comment down below. And then let's craft things. I need a sword. And I'll take this crafting table, and then I'll just take this coal. Alright, so I'll take, and then I'm looking for a place to find shelter, and of course I'm trying to look for that area where to start the build. Nah, it's not so safe to start up here. And I'm saying we can start. Hold on, let me kill this piggy. Good. And I'm just saying we can start right over here. And then we're just gonna keep on mining, and then make a shield. Whoa, stupid gravel. And then this stupid gravel keeps ruining it. Can the gravel stop coming so I can? Kind of looks like I need a shovel or something. Sorry guys, the gravel interrupted, and then now hold on, give me a minute. Johnny, I'm up there. Alright then, this guy's oh no. I don't know how this is gonna be kind of difficult. So I'm gonna just remove this gravel. And possibly stupid because I have no place.
But I never used to be this guy.
And then I'll keep
If you want to go, mommy is
okay. And then the guy, and we need one. Oh my goodness. And
Good idea, mommy.
I'm totally done with this
See, girl, come to my room. Huh? Get
whole
your
pack
iPad.
of.
Mommy.
And then my pickaxe got
That was
busted.
a guy
Yeah.
that watching me. He's done.
I know, I don't get it. And then I'm done with this whole pack of shit. Sorry for swearing, guys. I didn't mean to. It's not working that good. Like, and because like I ran out of pickaxe and the dumb gravel kept on falling and falling. It got. I can only find this place where I can live. The shelter. Alright, and then never mind. I'll just place my bed right here, and this is my shelter. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I forgot my door. It's pretty bad. Whoa! I need more wood. That's not good. I need more wood. Alright, and then
Oh my gosh, the level is not. Yes, that's me.
whoa! I'm not punching. I wasn't punching that wood. I was punching a different wood. And I do care. I gotta go back up there, and then I gotta rush back, and then that's how you do it. Okay, so and then now. Let's go back. Let me kill this piggy again, and then we can continue our way along because I need food. Everybody needs food in their life, otherwise they die. They do. Alright, and then I'm just gonna start placing my torches. That may scare the monsters away. But it's not even usually scaring them away. It's just like it's usually like really different, you know. And like and I don't like kind of really care. Okay, let me punch these 2 stone. And I don't even care if I'm using a pickaxe. I'm just using my hand. I need to move this thing. Oh no. I don't even have any door. Well, I don't really care if I make my house like that. Alright. Bless you myself. Okay. And then I'll just start crafting here. Got some doors. And then I placed it. And now I need 1, 2, 3, 4. place that, and then wonder where to place this. I'll place it right there. Alright, and then I'm gonna be just cooking those. And then hopefully it's nighttime. I gotta start my bed now, and most of the problem my spawn point, because there were like many incidents going on with that. Alright, good. And now I'm gonna go outside and find them so I can make a bed. And then I have, but even though it's night, I don't care. Don't worry, I have a sword, and then I can kill them. See what? See, simple. I killed it. All right, and then now, oh great, the stupid hunger bar. All right. Alright, I'm just gonna go back inside, but no creeper behind me. Okay, I'll just carefully go inside. Got my pork. Oh no, close it, close that, close that, close that. Alright. Hello, zombie. You're afraid of me. Oh, where did you go? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna die. Okay. Alright, and then... Whoa! Crap. Hey, get back here. Oh, great. Died again. Alright, and then let's go back out there, and then we'll carefully go.
Why? I love that thing.
Run inside, people, run! Help, somebody help me. Alright, and then let me give myself a bed, because I have no time to go back out there, because it's getting bad out there. I'm afraid then. And then I got a bed. And then before we move on to that, and then you finally made it. Oh yeah, you gotta end the video in order. And also, guys, and so guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.